So this is my repair toolkit. I have this toolkit for like almost 5 years. I believe I got it around like 2020. Anyway, as you can see, I have like a couple of bits right here, although there's missing two. I don't care for now because it comes with an extra, as you can see right here. So this toolkit served me well. It has everything all I need. However, I feel like, you know what, since I really wanted this toolkit when it first came out back in like 2017, 2018, I decided to treat myself this, and iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. So I bought this from iFixit store on Amazon. I guess it's time to check out the box. So as you can see, there's the iFixit logo on the top, the picture of the toolkit, Pro Tech Toolkit in other languages, and right here it says expert tool for all level of tech repairs. Here are the stuff that it shows that you can fix the stuff with the toolkit, and it comes with 64-bit. On the left side of the box it says iFixit, and right here it says iFixit.com. That's their website. You use their website to get the guides, parts, tools, or you can get into the community. Here's the top, it's empty, it comes with this thing, and there's the seal right here. So on the right side of the box there's nothing, and then there's some kind of stain. I don't know what's that. Probably come from the shipping though. And on the bottom it seems to be empty. And let's look at the back of the box. So as you can see, it says Pro Tech Toolkit, comes with all of these stuff. If you guys wanna read, you can feel free to pause the video. And right here are the stuff that it comes with, the bits pretty much. Anyway, I will be opening the packaging right now. There we go. And then you're just gonna slide this. So right here it says iFixit. There's nothing on the top, nothing on the right side of the box, nothing on the back. Pretty much just the iFixit logo on the front. And let's open it. Wow, it's kind of dusty though. And let's see, oh, there's this bag. So it comes with this bag. I guess I'll just keep it. It comes with a owner's guide and some stickers. That's cool. So here's the owner's guide. It talks about the toolkit stuff, the stories, what it comes with, the stuff that it comes with, the sparger, Jimmy, pretty much what are the tools that it used for, and yeah, that's more stuff that you can get from their website. And there you go, that's the repair safety planet, pretty much right to repair stuff. And here's the Pro Tech Toolkit, so let's open it. So one of the side goes like this, and here's the toolkit itself. Let's open this. It's kind of hard though, because there's like magnet. Comes with another pack of these. So I guess it's time to check out all the stuff that comes. So it comes with this thing. You put it on your strap, I mean your wrist. I won't be using this for now. Right here is the suction cup. You know what? This is probably the best feeling suction cup that I've seen so far. Here are some pry tools. This is the pry tool. As you can see, it says iFixit. And right here, it says this tool is designed to break before your device does. Well, hopefully both our stuff don't break though. And as you can see right here, it comes with 3 of them. On the top, it comes with glitter pick. I don't remember how many glitter pick it comes with, but I'll put it right here. This is how the glitter pick looks like. That's the iFixit logo. Feels quite thin though. Hopefully it doesn't break like one of those cheap ones that I've been using for a couple of years. This is a tweezer, I think that's what I call. So it looks like this. Here we got another tweezer. It's curved though, which I've seen this like a couple of times. And it's ESD safe, which is a good thing so that you won't get electrocuted. And there's another tweezer right here. This one is straight itself curve, and this one seems to be a bit thicker, which you can see right here. So there's 2 sparger. Let's look at the first one. This one is flat, and this one there's like a sharp thing. Kind of sharp though. There's another sparger. This one comes with like a hook thing, which you can see. And this one looks like a knife, but it's flexible though, which you can see it is flexible. Next up, this tool right here. I'm not sure what it's called, however I feel like you probably be using this if you want to take apart an iPod, especially the iPod Classic, this generation pretty much. Oh, I remember this thing, it's called the Jimmy. iFixit, and yeah, this part, it doesn't feel sharp, so I guess that's good. Also, you're probably going to be using this if you wanted to open an iPod Classic. So this is the main thing to the toolkit, which is the driver, this thing that if somehow you couldn't get into some angles, you can use this thing to flex it, I guess. Like, let me just show you real quick. So you just put it like this, and let's take one of the bits, like say this one, and you can do this. And it just literally spins. Again, it comes with 64 bits, and I'll be testing one of them. So I'll just put this like right here. So you know what? I feel like I'm not gonna take up a lot of things today, so I decided to use this Nokia 3310. Still works well. Some of you guys may know about this phone because of these videos. Yeah. Anyway, let's turn it off. So let's open this, and yeah, I've shown this like a few times. I mean, especially in this video though. The front cover, which is quite easy to take apart. So this is one of the oldest phone that I have. Repairability on this one is really incredible. I remember that you're gonna need to use T6 on this phone. Oh yeah, another cool thing about this iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit is that this thing right here, since it has like a couple of holes, you can use this thing to hold your screws. I'll be putting T6. The driver feels really solid, not gonna lie. I'm coming from this driver, by the way, which it feels like a huge difference pretty much. Now I'll be needing a pry tool, which I guess I'll be using this, I guess. There we go. So this is a screen right here, and it's crazy to think that older phones are so easy to fix. So if you break the screen, all you do is remove all the covers, unscrew 6 T6 screws, and you're in. Here's the motherboard. Once you remove 6 screws, you get to access all these stuff. So this is a speaker. Unfortunately that you couldn't use it for loudspeaker when you make phone calls. However, it's only used for ringtones. That's the charging port, the SIM tray, the vibrator, and you know what? The vibrator on this thing is really insane though. And that's the battery connector. There you go. And the rubber power button. And I'll be putting everything back. There we go. This thing just holds magnets, and I forget to show you guys, oh, why is it like that though? But this part is pretty much magnet. Let's say that you need some magnet to hold some screws, you can just use this plate right here because it is made of magnet anyway. And once you're done with the toolkit, you can just put it like this, and there you go. Overall, what do I think about is that I guess I really wanted this for so long. Hey, iFixit, if you're watching this, send me some stuff if you want to. It's up to you guys though. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit unboxing and a quick teardown of this phone. So thanks for watching. Check out my other videos right here, and yeah, bye.